Whoo! Whoo! Hi! This video will show you how to make a Pueo mask from my book, Rainforests and Reefs. So let's get to it. For the mask, you need a scissors and either tape or stick glue. Start by cutting out your mask. And then make sure that you also cut along these darts. Again, make sure you cut along these darts. Next, you're going to cut out the eye holes. And I always start by kind of pinching right in the center of the eye first. That way I can make a snip. And I can kind of insert my scissors to begin cutting out the eyes. Go. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Pinching it so you can create a nice snip that you can insert your scissors. Now we're going to create the beak. Start by folding your beak in half along the dotted line. Then you're going to fold these two tabs backwards along that solid line. Now you're going to open up your beak and kind of put the tabs on the inside. So you can either apply some sticky glue right here or use tape like I'm going to use. Just line it up the best you can. So now when you open it up, you have a nice curved shape. Now you're going to fold these tabs. You can fold them either out or in, whichever is easy for you. Just fold along those dotted lines. And you're going to kind of match that beak, those dotted lines along the dotted lines on your mask. So again, you can either use sticky glue or you can use tape, and I'm going to use tape here. So for this mask, I tuck the tabs on the inside, but for this one I'm just going to do it on the outside because it's easier. Okay, the last part is to create that kind of rounded forehead on the owl. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of close this tab up to the dotted line and secure it with tape or glue. And repeat on the other side. Just closing up that tab and securing it with either tape or glue. And you can either use a paper puncher and punch holes in the side to put ribbon through it for a mask, or you can glue this onto a popsicle stick. So that is your owl mask.